Meaning of gobbledegook.
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 Gobbledegook. Gobbledegook is a noun that refers to language that is meaningless or hard to understand, often characterized by the use of obscure words and phrases. It can be synonymous with jargon, but typically has a more negative connotation, implying a deliberate attempt to obscure or confuse. This term is commonly used to describe bureaucratic or technical language that is difficult for the average person to decipher. Gobbledegook is often associated with a lack of clarity and simplicity, and is an obstacle to effective communication.